TII Technical Education Systems, teaching technology for tomorrow. In this video, I want to talk about how to use the text display function in EasySoft 7. What this does is it turns the screen of your Eaton E4 Pico PLC into an HMI, and it will display information that you want conveyed to the operator. So I have a very simple counter circuit here, and I want to display what the count is actually up to. So what I'm going to do is if you're starting up here at the top, okay, you need to click on the manufacturer's function block inputs, or click on the manufacturer function block, and then you're going to scroll down to text displays, and this is in the other function blocks folder. So you'll drag this out, drop this in, and now for this, we're going to just drag this all the way to the output here. So this text display will be on all the time. So now we have to set the parameters for this, and there are a lot of steps in doing this. So I'm going to expand this out. I'm going to switch to the function block here. Then I'm going to select Text Display Editor. And then I'm going to first just go ahead and put what I'm counting, so the operator would know what he's looking at. I'm going to select Static Text, drag it out, and then I'm going to type in what I want it to say, total count. And then I'm going to expand this out to make sure it can read that. Now obviously you're limited on the number of characters you can put in here, so we'll just put this here. Then I'm going to come here and select Value Display. What value do I want displayed here? And I'm going to select this, go to Associated Variables. I'm going to go to the function block input and output, go down to Counter Relay, and the one I'm using is the number 1. And I want to come down here and I want to select the QV, because this is the value that it will be displayed when I'm running this. So I select that, I hit OK. You can see here that this is displaying what the actual count will be. You can see this is what it's going to look like. And then what's really cool is I can actually then simulate this. So I'll get out of the function block area here. I'm going to go to simulation mode, and then I'm going to select Display plus Button. All right. Now I'm going to hit play, and I'm going to just select this a couple times. You can click right on the button and you can see that it counted. And every time I double click on it, when it's going from false to true, the total count goes up 1. And this is what will be displayed on the Eaton Pico PLC. And it can be a very simplified HMI, which stands for Human Machine Interface, that an operator can see and be able to see what the total count of the machine is. All right, so I hope this video helped you. And this is a quick introduction into the display output that is used in the EasySoft 7 software. Thank you so much.